Order filled. Stop filled.
What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? So I just got stop out on a trade, second losing trade of the week. So let's see. Initially, stop loss should be right on this low, but the stop loss was too big for me. So I tried to manage, that was a 47 pip stop loss. I tried to manage it to 20 pip stop loss. So let's see. I was right on the trade or I was wrong. So let me explain my concept. So I just took a loss. The trade was like, I lost in 10 seconds. I lost $200. So I lost in 10 seconds, I was out. I got run down. So let's see. If the market was just being nasty with me. So let me explain what I was thinking. So we come into the day. Price looks like it's going, but we'll see. So we come into the day. We are pretty bearish for the day, right? We're pretty bearish. That one is no. There is no debate there. Why? Because price is pretty bearish, as you can see from lower highs, lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower higher low, lower high, lower low. So we got price opened up this week at this point here where price came, swept this buy side, sell side liquidity and rejected to the upside. Yesterday the price rejected to the upside and swept this high time frame buy side liquidity. After sweeping this buy side liquidity yesterday, as you can see here, price printed a bearish reversal to the downside. This is the 1 hour time frame. Bearish reversal to the downside, meaning now we were 1 hour was in this, was printing bullish structure, meaning higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now after sweeping this buy side liquidity over here, price printed a bearish reversal indicating that it wants to go back to bearish bias. It wants to go back to sales. How so? So we were printing higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. This 1 hour lower high was higher low was broken, while price printed a lower high, indicating that it wants to go lower. Now coming into the market, I was pretty bearish because that is a strong indication from the 1 hour. So I was looking For sales, that was my main bias for the day, as I have written here, sales following trading protocol on buy side liquidity sweep. Now, on looking for sales, my intentions are for price to come, sweep sell side buy side liquidity, then go lower, because we are at this support zone here. Okay. Now market opens. So that's the 1 hour. Let's go to the 15 minutes. Now market opens, and remember we have these lows here. These are lower lows still, and they are still London lows and daily lows. Okay, London lows and daily lows. So market opens. Now after market opens, price comes and sweeps the lower lows, which are the London lows and the daily lows. While we look on this side on the ES, we have some kind of bullish SMT. Now, what do we know about market open? Market open, we know that price likes to manipulate during market open. We have this very bullish SMT where ES just swept this one high time frame by sell side liquidity, while Nasdaq remained above but still swept its London stock daily lows, which are sell side liquidity for price manipulation to the upside. Now, in my strategy, in my analysis, let's go to the 1 hour so that we can see how I marked it up. So in my analysis, I was on my buys. I was keen on possible upside manipulation when the lower low, that is London lows, that is London stock day lows, are swept at 9:30 open. So I was looking for price manipulation to the upside. Price just stopped me and is going to my TP. God damn it! It's okay. We live again. We live to fight another day. So the London lows are swept by price, and I was waiting for a 15-minute closure and closure back for 15-minute closure back above the London highs. Price sweeps, market opens, price sweeps the London lows, fails to sweep this high time frame sales and liquidity, while ES sweeps. Now we have a bullish SMT, and 15 minutes closes above the London lows, indicating that a price manipulation is cooking. We go back to the price manipulation to the upside is cooking. So we go to the 5-minute time frame. This is how the 5-minute time frame looks. So this is the market open candle, this here, and price sweeps and closes, fails to close below, closes back above. Then we have a 5-minute closure, closes back above. Now that's strong indication that price wants to manipulate. We go back and we are looking now for our break of structure and our first presented EM. This is the first EM. This is the first presented entry model. It's a inverted fair value gap. So price just swept me. Took my stop loss. This going. This was our 1 to 4 RR. So let's continue with my thought process. So this is the only thing I was looking for after 15-minute close above the London lows, I was looking for a break of structure to the upside on the 1 minute and an entry model. Now price just gave us an entry model right before it swept. This price gave us an entry model. Now I was looking for a break of structure to the upside. Now we have a lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Now the only thing I was looking for is this. I needed price to close above 1 minute, lower high, middle, I needed the so let's delete this for a bit so that it doesn't confuse us. So I needed price to sweep to close above this 1 minute 1 minute lower high, meaning this it will have inversed this 1 minute bearish FVG, and we're still printing bullish structure. How so? We have lower low. Price is printing lower lows after sweeping the sell side liquidity, London lows, and there we go. We have, man, tight stop loss. So we have a lower low, lower high, higher low. Price prints a higher high. Now I was looking for buys. So I put my entry right at the midpoint of the inverted fair value gap, and my stop loss I put it below this bearish candle. Now on I should have placed it here, but I looked to the on my risk reward ratio, that was too big of a stop loss. So I placed it here. I was run down like a bitch, and price ran to take profit. Yeah, and that's it, man. That's it. So my stop loss was supposed to be below the higher low, where the break of structure was. So that's it. That's it. And that's how I have been nerfed. Second losing trade of the week. Two trades so far. We'll come again tomorrow and we'll try again. Thank you. What up? Thank you, people. It's just price action. Thank you, people. Price was just bitter today. But I saw the move though. I called the move though. I'll not be surprised if price decides to rip up. I'll not be surprised at all. I'll not be surprised. Another thing that led me to think of the buys was the 4 hour. 4 hour had not closed below this higher low, and I knew a price manipulation was coming. And then another thing that called for the buys is we are still in range for this 1 hour bullish structure. Lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high. We were looking for price manipulation. So that's it. We live again to fight another day. My stop loss, I was mean with my stop loss. I was trying to save myself. 45 pip stop loss for 1:2, not bad. But I did not see it coming. We'll try again another day. Yes, sir.